Today we are going to replace the audio card in a Watchdog receiver. The tools needed are a small Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4 inch open-end wrench, and a 3/8 inch open-end wrench. Do not disturb the 1.5 millimeter hex screws on the bottom edge of the radio. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws from the top edge of the radio. The lid lifts straight up. Remove the mounting bar. Using the 3/8 inch open end, loosen the antenna connector enough so that the cable can be rotated out of the way. Using the 1/4 inch open end, loosen the nylon nut. Be careful not to damage the surrounding surface mount parts. Remove the nylon nut. Place the mounting bar under the edge of the tuner board near the interface connector. At the same time, place your finger underneath the board opposite the bar. Alternate prying with the bar and lifting with your finger a little bit at a time until the board lifts out, revealing the audio card. Set the tuner board aside. Place your finger on the top of the audio card between the card and the tuner connector. Place your thumbs on the bottom of the audio card on each side of the card's connector. Press on the bottom of the card with your thumbs, then lift the card out. Notice there are 2 rows of pins on the card connector. Line up the new audio card with its connector. Component side down. The edge of the card should be snug against the edge of the chassis. The bottom row of pins should be against the main circuit board. Press the board into its connector. Make sure both rows of pins are into the connector and the edge of the card is snug against the side of the chassis. Reinstall the tuner board, using the support stud to help align the interface connector. The tuner board should plug smoothly into place. If it does not, recheck the alignment or look for bent pins. Reinstall the nylon nut and tighten it slightly with the 1/4 inch open end. Tuck the antenna cable down and out of the way. Hold it in place with your finger and carefully tighten with the 3/8 inch open end. The mounting bar has a notched end and a smooth end. Rotate it until the ends align with the correct end plate openings. The bar can be inserted with the mounting holes facing either direction. The chassis halves have a male and a female edge. Match the male edge of one half to the female edge on the other half. Check to see that both seams close completely. Reinsert the screws. The screws should turn easily. Be careful not to cross-thread them. If they don't turn easily, back them out and try again. After all 4 screws are installed, tighten them down just a little bit. Congratulations, you have just replaced the audio card in your Watchdog receiver.